Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all would be doing well. As far as we have started the content of business writing, and in our last class we have studied about resume writing. In today's class we are going to study about how many things we have to add in our resume, and in this lesson you will be having a step-by-step guide to write a good resume for your job. If you want to secure a job and want to be an active member of a working society, then you must have a very good resume. So as here are different steps that you have to opt for your resume writing, and these are these one: contact information and resume headline, resume summary which is also known as objective or career statement, professional history, education, achievement, skills and accomplishments. So all of these are taken as a basic core elements if you want to write a good resume. Now we would be having a complete detail of all of these, that how we have to add information in all of these steps. So just move on to the very first thing, that is contact information. It is very important because the recruiter would be having all these things that you would have written on your resume. So be careful while writing your contact information. The very first thing is name. The name that you have to write in your resume must be your legal name. The name that you have written in your documents, it should be the same one. The second thing is your contact number. Write your contact number that is working and that is an appropriate connection. You have not to add that contact number which has been finished and you are not using it in the right way. The third thing is your location. You have not to add the complete address, you just write your state or town, city and zip code. That's it. You have not to add a complete detailed address. The fourth thing is your email address. Email address is necessary because if the connection becomes poor of your networking area, then the recruiter would be having a contact with you with the help of your email address. And the fourth thing is your LinkedIn profile or URL. Most of the recruiters generally prefer this platform to encode or your information for their specific job titles. So the contact information that you have to add in your resume is name, contact number, location, email address, LinkedIn profile or URL. That's it. You have not to add any irrelevant contact information because it would be adding a wordiness in your resume and it would not give a good impact to the recruiter. So when you have to write your resume, just go on with these things in your contact information. The second thing is your resume headline. It is very important because the recruiter will jump on your headline, that who you are. It specifies that what type of candidate you are or what is your job specification. It is a one-liner description of you, who you are as a candidate. Specific job title is used over here. You have to capitalize the first letter of each word and write your resume headline short and be concise. For instance, if you are a science teacher, maths teacher or English teacher, then you just have to write your job title like this. And if it is associate professor of mathematics or any other, then you have to again write it in this way as you are seeing it. Just capitalize the very first letter of each word and write a very concise and short resume headline. The third thing is professional resume summary. It is also known as a career objective statement and so on. It is a short paragraph which is to write at the beginning of a resume. Basically, this short paragraph highlights the professional skills, experience and impressive achievements. Why we need to write this short paragraph? Because it communicates with the recruiters to give them an insight about why you are a good fit for the job. Recruiters would jump on this paragraph to grab the idea that what type of candidate you are, what type of professional skills you have, what is your experience in the relevant field and what are the impressive achievements that you have made on. So be very conscious, be very apt while writing this resume summary statement. This resume summary statement is also known as resume objective statement or career statement. You may have the different words while writing this short paragraph about yourself in the resume. The next step is of professional history. This professional history is basically the heart of your resume, because resume highlights your professional work experience and all of the details that you have earned in your specific field. So when you are writing your professional history, you have to observe and you have to have a reverse chronological order. What does this reverse chronological order means? It means that you have to start from the very latest job and then go on to the oldest one. It's how you have to write your professional history. And what is the basic or appropriate method to write your professional history? It is given here. At the first, you have to write a company's legal name, then write your job location, where the company was placed and where the company was located, and then your job title. What title was yours when you were doing the job in that specific company, and then the start and end dates. So these are the four things that you have to observe and you have to take into account while writing your professional history. At first, write the complete legal name of your company and its job location. Then write your job title, under which title you were working, and then start and end dates of your working tenure. So it's how you have to write on your professional history from latest to the oldest one. The second thing is your education and certification. Education is also very important because recruiters want to know that what is your degree or what is your qualification that you have earned in your academic background. So education section includes your education. It may have your awards or accolades and certifications that you have earned in your academic career. You have to add education in this way. Write your degree title at first, then write the name of institution, and then write the years attended. For example, if you have earned a degree of BS or bachelor's, then write the complete title, bachelor's in computer science or bachelor's in arts and humanities or whatsoever is there. Then write the name of institution, any XYZ in university or any XYZ college. Write the name and then write your years attended, like it is from 2014 to 2018 or 2016 to 2020. So as in this way you have to add your education. The next thing is achievements, skills and accomplishments. It is also very important because apart from your work experience and education, there are certain things which are also very important and which gives an idea to recruiter that what type of person you are. In this section there comes soft skills. Soft skills are also known as transferable skills. These are those skills which you can learn by yourself, and these are those skills which one person have naturally. These are also known as some inborn skills, like some people or some persons very particularly have a very good decision making skills. Some people are interpersonal, some have more leadership skills. So these are those skills which you can observe in yourself, that what type of person you are and what type of different skills you have in yourself. So these come in the form of soft skills. Next are the hard skills. Hard skills are those abilities that you learn on the job through formal education or additional trainings. For example, data entry jobs, particular software operation and working such as SAP or Zendesk. This means that if you have been into a certain job and it was a requirement of that job that you have to be a master of that particular software, and then they would be giving you a training of 5 to 10 days to learn and to be proficient in that operation of software. So now you have opted that skill and now you are master or proficient of working on that particular software. So now this skill has been the part of your personality as well, and you can add in your resume that you have learned and you have made a remarkable achievement in the learning of that particular software. So these are the hard skills. Next, you have to add relevant employment skills. Employment skills varies from job to job. Like if you are a teacher, then employment skills would be more academic. If you are a sportsman, then your employment skills would be more athletic and many other things that would be accounting on to that particular job. So you have to add relevant employment skills as well, apart from soft skills and hard skills. Next, you have to add distinguished as well as a special achievements and accomplishments to enhance your credibility. If you are a gold medalist, or if you have earned a very good title in your academic career, and if you have just reached or met the targets that have been given to you by the department, and you have earned a good name in that, so you can also add all of those things as well in your resume, which would be giving an idea to recruiter that what type of person you are, apart from your education and qualification and experience and from your professional work history. So it's how these are the steps, or these are the elements that you have to add in your resume to mark a very good impression on your recruiters. So if you are writing your resume while having these components in your mind, then for sure you will be having a very good job ahead. If you are facing any problem, then you can ask me, and be at ease to ask any question relevant to that topic, and do like, comment, share and subscribe for new videos. I hope that you would have a complete understanding about it. Take care. Thank you.